Hi everyone, welcome back. Yes, these are lemons. I was in Tesco today and I got these for 45¢. What a bargain. So I just thought I'm going to make a really nice lemon curd for you all. I've got a couple of recipes I want to make next week. So I just thought I'd make the lemon curd and I can use that for my recipes too. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the zest off the 5 lemons. So just scrape off the yellow bit. You don't want any of the white. It'll just make it bitter. When I make lemon curd, I like to include the zest of the lemon. It gives it a lovely flavour. But when the lemon curd is cooked, I actually strain it off because I don't like little bits of the lemon zest in my lemon curd. So just keep going with the lemons until you have them all done. This is probably the hardest part of the job. And that's the last one. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut my lemons and I'm going to squeeze the juice out of them. I have one of these lemon squeezers, they're very handy. Just pop the lemon in and you squeeze the juice out and it collects the pips as well. Don't think it wants to work today. So just do that with all your lemons. If you don't have one of these, you can just do it the old way. That's it. Now into here, I'm going to add in my butter and sugar. Get yourself a bowl and add in 3 eggs, medium eggs, with the whites as well. And I'm going to add in 3 egg yolks. Just give them a mix up. And we can set this to one side. I'm not adding this to my lemon and butter mixture until my butter is fully melted. So I'm going to get this on a pan of simmering water now. Pop that bowl on your saucepan and just make sure that your water isn't touching the bottom of your bowl and the water needs to be simmering, not boiling. And when my butter is fully melted, I'm going to add my eggs. So just stir that for a few minutes and that's all melted. I'm just going to get my beaten eggs and add them in. And use a whisk to combine all that together. And we need to whisk this continuously for about 15 minutes. It should thicken up by then. Keep the heat on a simmer because you don't want scrambled egg. This is starting to thicken nicely now and it's similar to custard consistency. Got a couple of minutes left, so we're going to keep whisking it so it can thicken a little bit further. The time is up on this now. I'm just going to get a spoon and show you the consistency of this. So it's a nice thick kind of custardy consistency. It will thicken further as it cools down. So I'm going to remove this off the heat. Now I'm going to pour the lemon curd through a sieve. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm not a fan of the zest in lemon curd. If you don't mind the zest in it, you can leave it. It's entirely optional. And use a spatula to just stir it to get all the lemon curd through the sieve. Smells lovely. I think I've got all the lemon curd now. That looks good. Got all of that. Just go underneath with your spatula, get the last little bits, and there you have it, a lovely smooth lemon curd. I'm going to let this sit here now for a little while until it cools completely, and as it cools it will thicken and then we're going to pop it into some sterilised jars. It will thicken further when it goes in the fridge. This is fully cool now, so we can get it into my sterilised jars. And there you have it, homemade lemon curd, absolutely gorgeous, way nicer than anything you buy in the local store, and you get 2 nice big jars of it too. We do have to keep this in the fridge, or you can freeze it either. I have frozen lemon curd in the past and it does freeze really well. You can use this on anything like your scones, and you can use it in baking. I've got a couple of recipes next week that I'm going to make using this lemon curd. Alright everyone, give it a go and let me know what you think. Alright, happy baking everyone and enjoy.